What's up, guys? Today we be bombing people.
You're racist.
Try at least. I know there's many over here. I'm gonna.
I want to make a lot of money.
Bombs away, dudes ever ice
guys,
skating.
who's going to like do that much?
Yeah.
I'm rich, so I can.
I got one bullet left.
Yeah, I did really. I'm gonna be a menace. I'm not being a menace. I'm just clearing out everything. You better watch out. You better watch out. You better watch out. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Not too fast. You better watch out. You better watch out.
Ah!
You better watch out. You better watch out.
You better watch out. Sing it, bro. Sing it.
You better watch out. You better
Good boy.
watch out. You better watch out. I got a bomb in my hands. You're gonna die today. For
Here, bro. You ass at
Christmas.
that. Here. Sing it with this.
Oh my god! You better watch out. Yeah, you better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. I got a impact grenade. They see me when you're
Give
sleeping.
me this money.
Oopsies! Oh shit!
Bicycle.
You better watch out.
Oh, I'm sorry, bro. I won't leave my guy.
I died.
Hello.
There.
What's the free crate?
Mail, pretty please.
Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why.
Bad.
He's
Don't
back
shot.
there. He's got a bomb. Why did He's you got a kill bomb. me? He has a bomb. He has a bomb.
No worries, my straw hat
There
brother.
he
I
is.
got you.
Oh my god, bro. You got a lot.
Block 19.
Dynamite.
After I bet
You can have dynamite.
Ow!
Which is fine. I like kind of like Loki like. Hey. My shield.
Free shotgun.
Oh, what the
Wait,
fuck?
what?
Bro, what are you doing? What? Yo, homie's gonna kill me! Homie's gonna kill me!
What's in your bag?
Dude, go! We got a Mexican killer. We got a
Bro,
Mexican
please,
killer.
bro. We're the same kind. We both have straw hats.
Oh yeah, you're right. My bad, bro. I'm gonna kill him now.
There's no point. Kill someone else.
Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. There's gonna be more!
kill
Hi,
you.
man. Dreamy like YT. Ah, I'm so Sigma.
Oh my god.
Hey guys.
Guys, I'm with Races.
That's definitely not me.
Did I say it was you?
No.
Yeah, you described me.
Hey, bro, my not help you guys.
Hey, bro, if you see a bag, can you
Can
give
you
it
give
to
it
me.
to me?
I'm gonna kill.
Like in the middle.
Hmm.
But if you do see a bag in the middle, can you give it to me?
Yeah, I'm
Oh
gonna
my god,
spill
he got a
every
revolver.
beast.
Go kill him, bro. He got a revolver. Go kill him.
Fully loaded.
Shot.
Oh my god, bro.
Bro, who killed
My
me?
Sigma, bro.
Who just killed me?
If you got weak ass don't. Damn. Want a free crate? Me.
To down.
What did you guys?
You guys are so well
What
armed.
did you guys? This is no. What is it?
Oh,
Shotgun
no.
ammo.
Boring.
You're boring.
Wait. Does Snowball do damage?
Bro, can I have that crate, please? Pretty please.
Yeah. Baseball bat.
Give it to me, please. Can you give it to me?
Fuck you.
No, get away.
What the fuck?
Oh my god. Oh my
Man,
god.
why do you hurt me,
Bro.
bro?
Oh my god.
Why did you hit me?
Guys, I'm getting chased by
I'ma kick
a
your
big
ass.
man.
Hey, man, that's this spot.
I'm getting chased by three big black men.
Ah, yeah. What the fuck, man? What the fuck, dude?
Oh no!
Bro, my fucking aim is
No, please!
I'm
Sorry.
tired of you touching my ball.
No, run!
Cause.
Root beer.
Help me,
We're
man.
not so close.
Free revolver. Free revolver.
Don't. So, brother, you want to play like that? You want to play like that, brother?
Pause. Like, what you mean?
I'm gonna do something so dirty to you.
I'm gonna go mining like my dad said. Go be in the mine.
I'll find him.
Am I think it doesn't work?
I got my
Bro, the
revenge.
timing was impeccable. Good job.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Would you like to make a truce, though?
Yeah, let's make a truce. I'm
No,
gonna-
A straw hat
back.
truce?
Yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, also, if you betray me, I will hunt you down in every single server because I have a player tracker.
Why are you so great? Bro, you betrayed me on my house.
Oh my lord!
Go.
Ouch! Oh my! Oh no! Help! I'm gonna get touched.
Can I use that? Let me get my bag. You don't want to get fireworks. Bro.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my
god! What time is it? I